Hi guys, it's Miss Rose, and today we're doing the letter M. Microwave macaroni and cheese. Microwave starts with the letter M. Microwave. Macaroni starts with the letter M. M for macaroni. What you need is 1.5 cups of macaroni noodles, uncooked, 2 cups of hot water, 8 ounces of Velveeta cheese cut into 1/2-inch cubes, 1/4 cup milk. Milk starts with the letter M, and 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese shredded. So let's get going. First, we wash our hands, and you need a 2-quart microwave safe bowl with a lid. If you don't have a lid, you can use plastic wrap. You're going to put in your 1.5 cups of macaroni noodles, uncooked. And I'm going to put in a little bit of oil to keep the macaroni noodles from sticking. And my 2 cups of hot water. I just got hot water out of the sink and I put it in my thermos to keep it hot. But you can just measure it from your sink. Wow, okay, there it goes. I'm gonna pour this in. I'm gonna mix it around. I'll make sure all the noodles are covered. Place a lid on it, and we're gonna microwave this on high for 5 minutes. Okay? 5 minutes. Okay, that's 5 minutes. We're going to take it out, stir up the noodles, and put it back for another 5 minutes. Now, your parents are going to have to do this for you because it's hot. Okay? And you want to open it up with the lid facing away from you because the steam can burn. Okay? You want to be very careful. You want to mix them up. Make sure the noodles aren't sticking. Put the lid back on. Put it back in for another 5 minutes. Okay, that was another 5 minutes. Be very, very careful taking it out. Very, very hot. Okay. Open it up. Stir it. Okay. Now, we're going to take this to the sink. And we're going to drain the noodles. We're going to pour it into a colander and take the water off. Let the water drain. And then we're going to put the noodles back in the dish. We're going to add the cheese, the Velveeta cheese, which I made into small cubes. That makes it melt faster. Okay. And I'm also adding a cup of sharp cheddar. That gives it some extra flavor. And then a 1/4 cup of milk. Now if it's too thick, you can always add more milk. So we're gonna mix this around. And we're gonna put it back in the microwave for 3 more minutes. And that will melt the cheese. Okay? 3 minutes. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. Our cheese should be nice and melted. We need to bring it over. Very hot. Okay. We're going to take the lid off. We're going to stir it up. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Nice and cheesy. Okay. And we're going to let this sit here for another 5 to 10 minutes. Just so everything will finish cooking. And then we'll serve it up. Okay, so it's been sitting for 10 minutes. So let's see what it looks like. Here it is. It's all nice and cheese is all nice and melted. The noodles are nice and done. So let's serve it up. Looks really good. This is what your microwave macaroni and cheese looks like.